people say that we have so much of time to get into spirituality and experience this kind of consciousness. But can you explain the importance of the urgency of spirituality now at this age?
Yeah. There's a Sanskrit expression, Shubhasya Sighram. Things that are auspicious, things that are beneficial, has to accept it right away. Somebody tells that you got a lottery ticket and you want 10 crores of rupees. Will you keep it pending saying that, well, I'll take it after about a month? Or you will run right there to collect it? Isn't it? I presume that you are not that detached from money. Okay, so that is one consideration. The other consideration is that this spiritual awareness is necessary for our spiritual advancement. And there is no guarantee when death may come. Nobody can say that I'm going to live for another 50 years or 5 years or even 5 months. Like we are seeing, it may come so abruptly. Therefore, why take a chance? So if you think that this cultivation of the spiritual knowledge is important, then it must be accepted right away. And by doing that, you are not losing anything, you are gaining everything.